Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's unbox let's so since people wanted me to buy more of these, so let's unbox it back again because I bought one of these, but it was ordered. It was actually ordered. Bro, actually why the box is so fat? I won't do that starter opening box again. It's open. Wait, guys. I'm back, guys. So let's open the package. Who will I get? Will I get Hello Kitty, My Melodies, Kurumi, Cinnamoroll, Pompoparin, or Pachaco? I wonder who would I get. Actually, let's open the box. Oh, I got Kurumi.
What is that, Mandy? What is that? Wait, I'm sorry, Mandy. You're vlogging. Hi, I'm Tito. I'm Mandy Tito. Wait lang. Bagyan ako. Makeup na ako. Mag-makeup ko. Mandy, can I
Sorry
join?
guys, my tito is
Is-
over here. My tito na gay.
No!
Wait for a minute, guys.
What are you vlogging, Mandy? It seems that you vlog pretty so much.
No! Sorry guys. I shouted at my gay uncle. I just shouted at my gay uncle. So actually, I got Kurumi. Look. Actually, I got Kurumi. Yeah. Wait for a minute. The books was just kilabay.
So, magkipita mo na akong pants?
Oh,
Wait lang sa kanang gipangita.
wait for a minute, guys. Let me assemble it. Let me throw the books. Excuse.
Baka nakipangita.
So Dad is watching. I crawled. So let's assemble it. Oh.
Dito ba?
What are you finding, man, Tito B?
Maligo ka, Mindy?
What?
Did you take a bath?
Yeah, I take a bath
You feel
last
like-
morning. Last
You feel like
afternoon.
something fishy.
I am not a fish.
No, I mean it's fishy.
Okay, whatever.
Asa mo ito pagwapa na ako, Puloy?
Kuromi's skull? Kuromi's skull in her hat? Oh, this is actually the trinket of hers. So let's put it on. Bro, actually, what? Why do they try to make it upside down? Actually, it's upside down. Why, bro?
Asa ka to ba? Let's go, Paul.
I almost finished it, but it looks like the bad finger. Actually, what is this? It's just from my gay uncle. Ooh. 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 Ooh la la.
Ay sabi, mga kapes, ano ko na? Sabi, mga ko daan po, mga ko daan ko ng Paul.
Let's assemble Kuromi. And put it here. She's finally assembled. Kuromi is finally assembled. I got Kuromi. Anyways, bye-bye. Bye-bye. That's all for today.